Step into forest. Can you hear it? Quiet sounds all around. Look, squirrel eating nut. Birds singing in trees. Every small noise tells story. Listen close. Nature talks soft, not loud. Seawater moving over rocks. Dragonflies flying near. Forest full of life. Hear wind in leaves. Animals moving. Forest has many secrets. Take time, stop and listen, feel connected to nature. Forest is alive. Are you listening? Pause. Listen. Connect. What animal did you hear first? Tell us in comments. Enjoy peaceful forest sounds. Relax and feel calm. Remember, nature speaks if we listen. Every sound is special. Join us in forest. Discover hidden life all around. What's your favorite forest sound? Share below. Let's explore nature together. Listen to forest's story.